I'm going to explain about branch configuration in Jainam software. Branch configure is dynamic in Jainam software. Now dynamic means you can define the branch hierarchy as per your requirement. So you can say your topmost branch is company HQ, then country, then state, city, within city physical branch where all your employees are sitting and doing the operations, and then the area which are managed under that branch. Now any customer in Jainam software can be mapped to this area. This area can also be called as location or group of customer. Now, it is not necessary that you can configure in this hierarchy only. You can configure the way you want. For example, you can say that under company HQ, you have loan against property, and then you have this hierarchy, and you can also configure that this is your four-wheeler. You can further classify or configure as per your business requirement. So what will happen that your employees who are responsible for four-wheeler, you can give them access of four-wheeler or underneath branches, whereas you can give access to your respective lab staff. Whoever you have given access to company HQ, they can access lab and four-wheeler. Now, understanding branch hierarchy is very important because your entire data filter or reporting will be dependent on that. Now, as you know that area is linked to a customer, so it means whenever you create a profile, you have to map that customer to a group or location or area. So when you create a profile, it is linked to a branch of that area. When you create an account like loan or deposit, then you can create that in any other branch. So your customer may belong to area 1, but you can create the loan in area 2. So that's why we have second link, that is account branch. And third is your customer belongs to area 1, loan is created in area 2, whereas transaction is done in area 3. So that means your transaction also linked to a branch. So in Jainam software, there are 3 ways you can map customer, account or transaction to a branch. Now, how do you want to filter your data? That is also a business requirement, because not everyone wants to filter data on loan or deposit branch. So that's why we have come up with 3 different settings. Filter data on branch hierarchy. If you set it yes, then all your reports, all your data will be filtered as per the company or as per the customer profile branch. If you configure filter business summary on branch hierarchy, it means that whatever transactions are done, that will be filtered based on what branch you have selected or in which branch you are operating. And third setting is basically filter data on branch hierarchy Loanwise. It means when you configure this setting, then your reports will be filtered on account branch. So let's say you are in branch Pune where profile is created, but loan is created, let's say branch Mumbai. So if you set your branch as Pune, then you will not see the loan which is created in Mumbai, even though that customer profile is mapped to Pune. Why? Because you have set the configuration that filter data on branch hierarchy Loanwise. If you set filter data on branch hierarchy, then even though your loan is created in Mumbai branch, but if you are operated in, if your current branch is Pune, then you can see that loan because you are filtering data on the customer profile branch, not on the account creation branch. All right. This is little confusing, but